Good morning everyone, welcome to day 2 of the OPPO Community User Meetup here in Kuala Lumpur. Today we're starting off with a tour of Batu Caves. Next stop on the city tour, Petronas Twin Towers. Tallest twin skyscrapers in the world, 452 meters. We're now going to be heading up to the sky bridge on level 42. Checking out the latest foldable device from OPPO, which is the Find N2. We're going to get some hands-on time together with all of the other people that are here with us today. As you can see, it's pretty damn tight. We're going to be talking with all of our OPPO Community Meetup KL users, their impressions of the Find N2. So, Pratima, we're here with the OPPO Find N2 and I have to ask you, what are your first impressions of the phone and what is its most striking feature?
First impressions, I think this is a very sleek device and by far the most good-looking foldable, I would say. So the most striking feature, I think, is this gapless hinge.
The most striking feature, definitely the size. And I love the screen on the front. Look at this. You can actually use it like a regular phone. And if you need a bit more space, just open it up.
I would say one of the best things is the foldability. Obviously, this being a folding phone, the smoothness of that new hinge design is really noticeable. I feel like it's a lot sleeker.
Well, first impressions is the build quality is absolutely stunning. The hinge, the size of it, the weight, how light it is, and that folding mechanism when you open it up. And the lack of a crease, definitely one of the best.
It's beautiful. The most striking features for me is refresh rate.
I mean, you get the wow effect with this smartphone. And the most striking feature, I would say, this is the form factor. This is the first time I get a foldable with me.
I noticed from the presentation that they have a 32 megapixel telephoto camera. I think it's really good and I am excited to try it because my current phone, I don't think they have this size of the telephoto camera.
3 words to describe the Find N2.
Well, definitely a stunning, lightweight and thin.
Good-looking, sleek, and because it's got the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, I would say powerful.
Elegant, sophisticated,
Also nice.
also beautiful, man.
Masterpiece, lighter, and compact.
3 words. So legibility, slickness, palmability.
Light, thin, and breathtaking.
Would you swap your current device for a Find N2? Yes or no?
Of course.
Definitely for the cameras, really promising specs.
So without a doubt, I would easily trade and swap my current device for this.
Yes, absolutely.
To all of those of you watching at home, we hope you've enjoyed this vlog as much as we have putting it together. And for those of you that joined us, a big thank you from all of us here at Team OPPO. Thank you to the OPPO community and thank you to everyone that's ever supported us. So, peace out.